Her thoughts and her feelings were transmitted to me via telepathy. Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law of attraction blueprint.com. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about how to send a thought to someone through telepathy. In my personal experience, I can vouch and say telepathy is very real. I'm going to give an example and I'm going to give the step-by-step process. So make sure you watch this video to the end. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. My next video may be the one that you need to see. If you're new here, then my channel is about manifestation, how to manifest different things into your life. And I also give love advice on relationships, dating, and stuff like that. So if that's something that you would like to continue to hear about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If there is someone on your mind right now that you would like to talk to, but you can't physically talk to them for whatever reason, go ahead and give this video a like. And in the comments, go ahead and drop an emoji about how you are feeling today. All of my manifesting tools will be linked in my description box, as well as my video, how to manifest anything in one day, is going to be linked below. Okay, so telepathy. Telepathy is sending a message to someone with your thoughts. For example, one day I was craving donuts, right? And I was like, oh, I hope my mom brings home some donuts. And then the fact that she really brought home the donuts, I sent that message to her, but I never physically asked her to bring home any donuts. You feel me? That's just a little example. But I'm gonna get started. I'm here to give tips and techniques on stuff that's worked for me and stuff that has worked on me. But step one, I want you to gather the picture of them in your mind. I want you to visualize what they look like. Just see them in your mind. If you think about somebody named Katie or whatever, what does Katie look like? I want you to think about what Katie looks like. Start thinking about Katie. Step two, whatever emotion that you feel about Katie and you want Katie to feel about the situation, start to really work on feeling that first while you're thinking about Katie. Katie is just an example. You see the person, what emotions are attached to this person? Just to give a quick example. So one of my best friends, the one that I've known since I was 14 years old, we have been separated for over a decade. Ever since we graduated high school, she ended up moving out the country. There isn't easy access to each other. It's always a plane ride, a passport, or something involved, right? As you can imagine, things aren't easy when it comes to that. So one day I'm chilling. I'm having a great day. It's coming into the nighttime. I'm fine. I am fine. I went to sleep, but when I woke up, I missed her so much. Like, the feeling was overwhelming. I was like, wow, why am I so emotional right now? You feel me? Like, why? I mean, I get it, I miss her, but like, why do I miss her this much? I text her. I was like, I woke up missing you so much. And she was like, that's because I went to bed missing you so much. And she said, that's why I texted you, I loved you last night. And, you know, when I received the I love you text, it was, you know, we tell each other I love you all the time. It's no big deal or whatever. And I went to sleep, but I woke up and that feeling was so unbearable. So by me telling this story, I hope you caught what I'm trying to say. Her thoughts and her feelings were transmitted to me via telepathy. Go back to what I was saying. I want you to imagine your person. I want you to really get into the whatever emotion that you want them to feel, whatever thought you want them to hear, and kind of dwell on that for a minute. Step number 3, this is real simple. Tell them whatever it is that you want to tell them. Just like in my example, I didn't know she missed me until she literally told me that she went to bed missing me a lot. So get into whatever thought and emotion mindset that you want to give this person. It could be good energy. Look, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're excelling. Like, I'm so proud of you. I'm pretty sure there's been times where you were just thinking about somebody and then they text you or they call you and then you're like, oh, I was just thinking about that person. You sent a note via telepathy to that person. My best friend and I have done that a lot. One of the most recent times, she was like, out of nowhere, I just started thinking about her and I texted her and she was like, I basically called your name in my mind and then you text me. So basically she was like, Amber. And in my mind I was like, huh? But I text her. I was like, hey, what you doing? Telepathy is so cool. What was an example that I've done with somebody else? You heard the example that it was done on me. There was this is not my current boyfriend, but there was this guy I was entertaining for some years, and we stopped talking. I went on about my life, he went on about his, but I wanted to talk to him. We had been Facebook friends, but I don't know what it is. Apparently, according to Twitter, it's a female thing where we want to talk to a guy and we won't text them first, but we just want them to contact us. I guess, I don't know. It may have something to do with the fear of rejection. He had posted something and I liked it on Facebook. Now you're probably like, oh, since he posted it, oh, he's seen that you like the thing or whatever. When I tell you this man gets like 200 likes on a picture, like, you feel me? The odds, I've been liking his stuff, but the odds of me, like, him seeing it was very slim to none. He's handsome. Like, he get mad likes online. But I seen his picture, I was like, oh my God, I want to talk to him. But I just liked it, I kept it moving. So I would say about 30 minutes later, it's a Facebook message on Messenger. He was like, hey stranger, how you been? I've been wondering where'd you go? And when I seen the message, I was like, eee, there he is. And he was like, man, I've been thinking about you. And in my head, I was like, I know, because I've been thinking about you. But yeah, we ended up exchanging numbers again and ended up talking and seeing each other and stuff like that. If you want something to happen, go ahead and send them a mental note via telepathy and they will get it. Even if they don't contact you or something like that, there's a good chance they're going to start thinking about you out the blue. So I think telepathy is one of the dopest things about the universe, because we don't physically need a phone to talk to somebody. Yeah, I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. All of my manifesting law of attraction tools are linked in my description box, including my how to manifest ebook and also 16 different scripting sheets, including manifesting a tester call. Matter of fact, I do have a testimonial for that. It said, Dear Love Gal, thank you for the guide on how to manifest a test from someone specific. I do believe in scripting. I have been doing it for quite some time before purchasing your in-depth scripting technique, but boy, when I tell you this worked, it worked. Oh my gosh, I'm really grateful. Thank you so very much. So there's one for manifesting a tester call. It's a guided scripting. I ask you stuff or tell you to talk about this, and just to keep your mind focused on what you want. Everything's going to be linked below, and until next time, thank you for all the donations. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.